Hey, it's Phil Carrick again from howtosacktheboss.com, and in this video I'm just going to show you my Facebook ad call to action button results. Okay, I tested 4 ads, each with different sort of call to actions, and I've got some quite staggering results, to be quite honest. And I've got to say that I was surprised myself. I would have sort of swapped the top 2 and certainly the last one around as well. Excuse me. So without further ado, let's dive in, okay? Because with the ad, I used the same ad, the same image, the same headline, the same budget, the same target, interest targeting, and also as well I ran the same ads for a period of 3 days. So I just want to show you. So in 4th place, the wooden spoon. Poor old wooden spoon. Now I'm really surprised at this. I'm really surprised, because I used to do this a lot, and this is probably how my ads were really expensive. Okay, so last place goes to no button. Now I used to test it, like I say. I used to put on a button and put on no button. But it must be the recent Facebook algorithm change. The no button has performed significantly worse than all of my others. So I got 6 leads at $10.54 a lead. Okay, quite expensive, very expensive in actual fact. So the 3rd place, let's go. 3rd place goes to Sign Up. Now, to be quite honest, there's no surprise there for me. I would have expected that. In actual fact, I would have expected Sign Up to be in 4th place. But anyway, I got 11 leads at $5.38. A big difference there between Sign Up and no button. But 2nd place and the runner-up, and I would have swapped this around and made this a winner, but the stats don't lie. So the 2nd place goes to the Learn More button. The Learn More button. Excuse me, I'm still suffering from a bit of a cold, so I do apologize. So the Learn More button, I got 23 leads at $4.92 a lead, and I was happy enough with that. I was happy enough with that, because the leads started to convert, okay, and it gave me a positive ROI, a return on investment. So I was happy enough with that. Now the winner, first place goes to, drum roll please, download button. I would never have thought that. I would have put download possibly 3rd. Okay, possibly 3rd. And I got 36 leads at $3.86 a lead. So let's just sort of summarize this. Okay, and as you can see up the top here, the download, 36 leads at $3.86. But look at the difference. Look at the difference between download and no button. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's like near enough, well, it's near enough 3 times the cost. 3 times the cost, okay? Now, you might have different results, all right, but I'm just sharing with you the exact results I did for the same ad with 3 different call to action buttons and no call to action button, okay? And that's on a conversion ad. So, I don't know, maybe the results have surprised you as well. They certainly have me. So give it a test. If you're running conversion ads, try with the download if it makes sense. Because mine was a free PDF which got people into something else. Okay, so you can try that. If yours isn't downloadable, then obviously don't use the download, but then use the Learn More button. I would always have used the Learn More button, but download in this test came out on top. So hope you enjoyed this, and just let me know below if you viewed on the blog. Let me know below what you thought of this, and if you're surprised, I'd love to hear your reactions as well. Okay, take care.